this used to be me. You can browse to any different documents that you could possibly create from either whether you're in college or if you're working on your resume or any type of documents that you could possibly need, or if you're typing out your grocery list or anything, or planning a party or anything above. Planning a party or meeting, anything. Say you're planning a meeting, or there are millions of different templates. Like this one, weekly meeting notes. You can copy doc or a new topic or whatever you could possibly do. You can browse the different templates anytime that you could possibly need. So let's do docs. There's trending docs, many types of documents that you could possibly need. Say you need a gift tracker. Well, here we go. Tracking different types down there, and you can copy to doc, hit copy, and it opens up to a new page. And like that, from tracking any types of docs that you could possibly do. You could copy this doc, plan track, and then you could get in and add to your receipts or whatever you could possibly do. There are different types, quick actions, dashboard, or anything that you could possibly need within Coda. No more using papers like this. It's time to enter into digital age with Coda.